CEO, by the way.
Yeah, he didn't age very well. I say it's the money.
Oh,
Alright.
this is why you need 3 people.
Yes.
Yeah, go on the other side.
You're gonna need both hands.
Hold up, I'm out of my battery, and I'm wrapping up.
Whoa. Hello, we're back in Animal Company.
And I'm not recording this time.
Skill issue.
Oh, right. I'm in the call. Wait, we weren't in a call. You manipulative dinosaur, you. You just spooked me. You came out of nowhere.
Okay. Anyways, I think there was something that I missed in the dam, so we're going back down there. Really?
What?
Alright. Mr. Shy Guy.
Huh? What the?
Jeremy.
What was that?
It's Jeremy, of course.
Yeah, I'm glad you're in front because I don't have anything out right now.
Yeah, Jeremy, get over yourself. Creature, get over here. Hurry up before that thing comes back.
Yeah, there's one getting closer.
He's not too happy. Where's the other one, though?
Yeah, I think the other one's nearby.
I think it's right there, actually.
Or right in front of us.
Huh, I don't see the mimic this time.
Were you looking for it?
That seems very dangerous.
Listen, this isn't a picnic for me.
Yeah, because there's no picnic tables.
I hate you. It is immeasurable by words.
After we kill that thing. Help me out on this one. It's not helping me out.
I was hitting the red thing.
Alright, I'm low. So,
Dino? What the freaky Nikki was that?
let's go.
You never said.
Don't burn yourself.
I think I want to. Freaky.
They can come in here, by the way.
What the freaky Nikki?
But they can't come into here. Is this loot? I think this confirms that this is the CEO. That's the CEO.
Oh wow, he aged nicely.
Hello there, Mr. CEO. We came to say hi. Lift it up. Lift it up.
Okay, I don't have any hands for this. Hold on. Can I throw my grappling?
Yeah.
Wait, we're unplugging who?
The CEO. I don't think we have enough people.
Too bad we don't have rapid, huh?
Yeah. Really would have needed him right now.
Ah, I'm falling. I am falling.
Or
Oh
are you
yeah,
using
there's
both of
another
your
one
hands?
back here.
Well,
Yeah. You at least need 3.
hold on, let me try and get Lotus on.
Hold my dress.
We'll figure out what that does eventually. Until next time. Hello! We're back in Animal Company the next day because we
And I'm
already
getting
did half of this video. Because he
What?
wasn't here.
What?
But we
what
finally got
happened?
him. Because we need
We
3
have a
people for it.
sacrifice.
Yep.
What?
Oh my god. I freaky care
Nah, I
about
ain't-
this
I ain't
freaky
agree to
cord.
that.
The freaky
Nah, I'm
cord.
out.
The freaky cord.
We're gonna unplug the brain. Alright, let's go do this
My
thing.
What is
was
the
unplugged
brain?
Years ago.
The brain, the CEO.
Oh, I hate this.
I don't think I like this.
The water.
Yeah, me neither, my guy. This is water. No. Okay, I go in the middle because Dino's my brother, and he should protect me first.
Oh hey, look at this.
I don't think you.
Oh, freak you!
Oh, what is this? Oh, no, that's
A
just
wall?
Oh my god, it's a game! Wait, Dino, can I have this?
Yeah.
If we survive?
Yeah. Oh. Scared
Wait till
me.
you see Shy Guy. You will have nightmares. You will have
Shy Guy?
nightmares.
Dino, where are you?
Oh, come on, this way.
I'm right here.
Okay. Ah, guess who's in the middle? Shy Guy! Shy Guy!
Oh, Shy Guy. Can we kill him?
I wouldn't
No,
suggest
I'm
it.
captain.
Can you stop flashbanging me?
Flashbang him. Oh, no, he's on it. Oh god, he's gonna get himself killed.
Yeah.
Do you think Shy Guy will go after us when he kills him?
Yes.
I don't understand what he does.
If you
Get your
keep
boss
on
on when he's
agitating
ready.
him. Yeah.
Wait, what?
If you agitate him too much, he will attack you.
Help me. Same goes for dinos. You might
Alright, let's wait a bit. Can you turn that off? Thank you.
Where are we? Huh?
Okay, come on. Careful, he's not very happy. He's really not happy.
I think I'm gonna wait.
Rapid. Go, 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 go.
Sound like that.
Is she
No,
dead?
it's me, Rapid.
I know!
I'm alive.
Whose
Why do
teleport
you
gun is
sound
this?
like that?
Whose teleport gun is this?
Mine.
Not mine.
Okay, here you go.
I gotta.
Why did you sound
There's
like
no
my
use for-
ancestors?
You don't need the big flashlight anymore.
Because
Please
I got
turn it off.
scared.
Thank you.
I gotta plug myself back in.
Ow, ow.
Okay, hold on.
Are we going down?
Yes.
No, we're going up, you freaking maniac.
Yes.
I just unplugged myself. No. Okay, good actually. Okay. Okay. The charger's going through hell right now.
Alright, Rapid, we do not need the giant flashlight.
What is that?
Please stop
You need
flashbanging
your
the viewers.
pickaxe.
I don't care. They can get flashed all they want. What is
What?
that though?
That thing gets killed by your pickaxe and I
Careful, it's pretty
Dino?
dangerous.
die. Who said that? My bad, bro. My
like a
bad. I
heart.
thought you were that heart thing. Thanos got this. He's like knight in shining armor.
What?
What?
Oh,
Alright,
sweet, better weapon.
there's 3 in here. Is he okay?
Dino, I'm wrapped in my cord and I'm scared.
There's a lot of cords around here.
Which way?
Just follow me. We're
Hold
gonna
up,
have to
where'd
go
you guys go?
under. Okay?
Under.
Stop
where did you guys
using
go?
the giant flashlight.
Help! Help! I'm scared and alone. Where are
Where?
you guys?
Do you not know how to
Oh,
follow?
hi there. No. Especially when I'm wrapped in my cord.
Rapid, you
Just
do not
look at
need the giant flashlight.
flashbanging tool.
Do I have to follow you guys?
Yes.
I'm
Rapid.
gonna leave it right here. I'm leaving it right there.
Alright.
Anyway.
It's on
Since
top.
the last time I saw you.
It's what?
Okay, we need to go that way.
Which way? Huh?
This way. Revive her.
Oh,
We're gonna have to kill that thing.
Kill it!
There's 2.
I'm scared and I'm alone. And I'm wrapped in my cord still.
Alright. Are you
Oh, no,
both?
I'm not alone. Okay.
Okay.
Me first, I've been dead longer.
Okay.
Thank
Goodness
you.
gracious, how did you both?
Yeah, revive him. I can wait.
Okay, get down here.
Ah!
Bro, I swear to God.
Yeah, by the time we're all revived, that thing's gonna die.
Okay, let's
Hey, where are
hurry.
we going?
This way. make sure both of you don't die. You can touch the floor, by the way.
Oh, thank God.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Alright. Bless you.
I'm falling! Wait, can I touch this floor?
Yeah.
Is that a no bueno?
You
Oh,
can.
you can use the grappler. You can use the grappler.
Oh no, I
Grapple,
fell.
grapple.
I fell.
Clap him, clap him, clap him!
There's ore.
Oh,
I never realized this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I don't know how I didn't realize this before, but there is.
God.
Oh, who did that? Because I wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Okay, we'll collect this
was
ore
not.
later. Let's unplug this thing.
Oh, gladly. I don't like this guy.
Okay, come
Seems
on.
like
Which guy?
This is the CEO, by the way.
Yeah, he didn't age very well. I say it's the money.
Oh,
Alright.
this is why you need 3 people.
Yes.
Yeah, go on the other side.
You're gonna need both hands.
Hold up, I'm out of my battery, and I'm wrapping up.
Whoa.
Or pulling. Wait, what the hell? What the hell is this?
Is this how you get here?
Normally,
Connection lost.
without using
That
cheats?
makes sense.
Is this? Oh,
Okay.
This
wow.
makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, connection lost. Alright. I guess we're going back. Okay.
Well, that was fun.
Bless you.
That
Bless
was
you,
awesome.
orangutan.
Alright, let's go get some of that ore and see what it is.
Oh, do I have
I think,
to?
Dino, I think I know what it is. It's like the ore from Arena, but it's an actual, like, acquirable ore.
It doesn't look like the ore in Arena. It looks more like
It
the...
does, though.
It looks more like the
How
ore
about we
inside
go
of
check
Haunted
out
Mansion.
Arena?
Oh, yeah, you're right. No, yeah, you're totally right. My bad. I thought I was thinking wrong.
Alright, let's go get some of that
You thoughts
ore.
are always wrong.
I'm hungry for ore.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry for something else. Anyways, who said that?
What is wrong with both of you? Oh wait, we can just like go over there now.
I'm grabbing something.
Dino,
Okay.
Dino, can we check out the top ship?
We're falling.
Rapping, you're just agreeing with Dino because you're a femboy.
I'm not a femboy.
Submissive femboy.
What are these words that are being uttered?
You'll come to know them, brethren.
How am I a femboy? Explain to me. I can say slay.
CEO Big Brain. See?
Wait.
CEO Big Brain.
I'm dropping my stuff. No, there's my pickaxe.
Haha, stupid.
Alright, don't attack Shy Guy unless he's attacking us.
Attack Shy Guy.
You will immediately become aggressive. Alright, let's wait for him to calm down.
Guys?
Yeah?
Where'd you go?
He's angry and Shy Guy.
Okay, I'm gonna stay out of the vents. Oh, he's saying stuff that I don't quite understand.
I said I pulled it out my ass.
I'm just a little girl. I don't understand these words.
Shut up. I know you understand all of them.
No, I think you need to explain them.
Hell no.
You both are gonna be put on the list. Why are you going after me?
Oh, okay.
Gonna have to turn
Alright,
the
let's go.
sound down for that.
Anyway.
Creature, you've gotten a lot more squeamish since the last time I met you.
I'm hella sleep deprived. I don't know what's going on.
I don't
just
care
told
if
me,
you're
get on
sleep
the
deprived.
game.
I'm sleep deprived.
Yeah, that's because you went away to boarding school.
What do you mean boarding school? Old band camp.
Mr. Hart.
Locker, I'm getting chased.
How bad at this game are you? Oh my god. Ooh. Spooky.
What the hell did I just witness?
Spooky.
I don't got that. Okay, I got that.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Ray
Found it used to be a
gun!
big boy drill.
Come on,
Shut
you
up.
two.
I literally saw my guy jump on here. Like, what the freaking?
Yeah, they can do that.
What the?
What's not holy?
That's how you die. How dare you?
Skillshare.
Get back here.
So are we gonna wait for him or are we gonna go on?
We're just gonna go on.
Donna.
Yeah, I'd stay there.
Anyway,
Try and kill it.
touch me. 6 feet!
Trying to get it over to me, but ow.
Anyway, can you?
Where?
I just got a tad bit spooked.
Where's your body?
Okay. Okay, I guess we gotta rejoin wrapping up.
Hello there.
What?
My body didn't come with me.
Oh, skill issue.
Oh.
Hello again.
I like how I
What?
just like spawned in, and you guys were just kind of chilling here.
I was watching How to Train
That's
Your
kind of
Dragon.
scary. On my screen, you have no pupil. Your eye is just eye.
Oh, yeah.
There's new
Yeah,
eyes.
I started reciting
Oh.
our address.
Oh.
Yeah, you won't leave me alone.
Okay,
Dang
let's go get some ore because we all died.
Wait, really?
All of us.
Yes.
Dude, give me the damn bag. You drop and I start saying numbers.
Okay, this bag's actually really
Give me the fucking
good.
bag. Yes! Yes, I got it! Anyway. Yay!
Yeah, get it.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Here you go, Mimic. Take that.
Yeah, I think I want to go on the
That.
map for this one.
I like how you can kill it before it even tries.
What are the unholy noises was? Did somebody just wash by me?
Easy.
I think I stopped it a little too hard.
Sir.
You were very brave. I'm so white right now. Okay, anyways.
Crazy words. What did I do?
Touch me. It's your face. I get angry too sometimes. No. You okay, sir? Don't touch me!
There we go.
My pickaxe. I'm just gonna take that back. Don't mind. Just gonna... Bro, give me my fucking... Bro! He took my pickaxe! No, my guy, he took that back.
What?
The mimic stole my pickaxe!
Oh, you can't get it back then.
Oh.
What's happening?
Honestly, unless it's named to the IRS, may or may not be related to the government, I don't think it's after
Hi,
me.
Brokey.
He's right there, you freaky banana!
You might want to be a little careful.
I don't give a crap. He can die.
Okay. Yes. Come here. Come here, little one. Stop moving.
I'm scared.
Come here, idiotic one.
I agree.
Yeah, that's.
One must kill the heart creatures to survive. No! How dare you kill my friend?
My headset died.
No, Rapid!
Bye,
We
Rapid.
lost one of the grapes.
Ah!
Let's go.
Yeah, sure. Grapes and cheese.
How did you die?
I don't know. I touched the wire.
They can get on top. I'm dead.
Down, I'm scared.
I'm dead.
So, you must be more scared, huh?
My controller battery's low.
I can't. Okay.
Is he guarding my body?
My guy is dancing on your body. Get this for the camera. You're
Well,
a
that's just kinda
toxic
rude.
player. I'm gonna report you. Do you think
Alright,
you
don't
can
go
revive
down
yourself?
there yet. I don't know what he's doing. You should like revive me soon, please.
Like, yeah, but you do. He's like.
You are so slow.
I'll be there in a jiff.
Are you still alive? Creature?
Red wires, I'm still here.
Okay, stay there. Get through this. Why are you so angry?
I believe in you and all, but can you hurry up?
He was already angry. Scary. Both of them are already angry. Why are you already angry?
Your grappler on the ceiling, the
boy.
hard guys can hear.
What?
Just shot at the ceiling, the hard guy heard it, he's on the top!
Creature! Creature! Creature!
Is
Creature!
that you making them mad?
Yes. Where are you?
Red
Creature?
Wires.
Oh,
Red
there you
wires,
are.
help me.
That's not red wires. That's lava.
There's like
Lord.
2 over there.
Okay, we're gonna have to go under. Do you want me to go first, or do you want to go first?
You go first.
Okay.
And then when they go after you, you kill them.
Ow. Doesn't seem they went after me.
I didn't do anything.
Stay there. Come here, big boy. That was dumb.
Very dumb.
Do you want to come back with me? Or do you want me to just go?
No, I don't.
Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, I guess that's another weapon for the other one. Oh my god. It still has your pickaxe. Get over it. You're in my way. Move. Are they both mad? Right, we are going the more cheaty way, I could say. There we go. Okay. I'm going for it. You know. I finally got in here. Okay. Now just have to be careful of these things to get over the tracks. What was that? Research. Another research. Take extra one. Okay, okay. Yourself down. Seems like it's alive. Ow. Okay. Calm down. Okay. So, this is the ore. I think that's the same ore inside of... Yeah. Alright. I guess I know how we're gonna craft it then. Me forever to grab... What are they called? Brain matter. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Where? Okay. So, brain matter. That's very interesting. Let me go ahead and sell this and see how much it's worth. Is it worth going there? Or is it not? Go to lava zone. Alright, I'm the last one left, I guess. I got this stuff. I guess. It's like heart ore, but purple. I guess. It was not worth it. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.